In this video, let's explore how to utilize the live chat function. Suppose a user comes to our messenger and asks us some questions. We have already set up auto replies for these questions in the bot manager. To proceed, let's go back to closing Pilot Chatbot and click on Live Chat in the left menu. Next, select our fan page in the upper right corner. On the left side, our subscribers will appear. We can click on the icon to send a postback template directly. We can choose from our preset reply flow templates, which were created in the bot manager. How do we create these postback replies? When setting up a new flow reply in the bot manager, we can define a reply flow. For instance, let's name it Live Chatbot Postback Demo. If we want to send this reply flow directly to a user, we can select the name from the live chat function and click on the title. This postback reply content will be sent to that subscriber. Moving to our messenger, we can see that this group of replies has been sent. What if our users reply from Messenger? We can also view the replies directly from the live chat function. Below, we can manually type our replies in the text box and send them to any subscriber. By entering text and clicking the send button, the other party's messenger will receive the same message. Here's an important note. To use live chat and send preset postback messages directly to users, our users must have actively messaged us within the past 24 hours in Messenger. This means they need to have had a conversation with us within this time frame, so that we can utilize the send postback message feature in live chat. Let's create a demo scenario. What if today I choose a user who hasn't sent me any messages in the last 24 hours? Now I'll send a postback template to this user who hasn't interacted with me in Messenger within the past 24 hours. You will see that we receive an error from the chatbot. Now, I'll use the same user account to send a message to our fan page. Okay, now we can see that this user has sent a message to our fan page. I'll use the send postback template function. Click on a postback template and send a reply template from live chat to this user. The user will receive this message from me. You can see that I received the reply I just sent from live chat. This 24-hour limit is due to Facebook's policy and only applies to the live chat's send postback template feature. If the other party hasn't recently interacted with us within the past 24 hours, we can still use the type a message function to manually enter content and click the send message button to send a message to the user. However, if we want to use the send message template to send a postback reply from the bot flow directly, the other party must have replied to us within the past 24 hours. Only then can we use the send message template feature. That covers the live chat function. See you in the next video.